Apple's new iPhone Air has surprised many with its impressive reparability. According to iFixit, the phone's simplified internal design and fewer components make it easier to repair than expected. While glued display and back panels remain tricky, the real innovation is its battery. The iPhone Air uses the exact same battery as Apple's new iPhone Air MagSafe Battery accessory, meaning you can swap a 90 charger's battery directly into the phone, a unique and cost-effective replacement option. This blend of clever engineering and sustainable design makes the iPhone Air a standout. Like and subscribe to the Tech Voyager for more updates.